Hello everybody and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw a unicorn sugar skull, just like this one. So let's get started. We'll begin with a curved line for the unicorn's face. Then we'll add some lines for the hair on top of her head. So start with this line and then make a zigzag that curves up. And then bring it to a point up at the top. And then make another point to finish the bangs. Our next step is to draw the unicorn's horn. So draw two slanted lines growing out of the unicorn's hair. Remember that if I'm going too fast, you can always hit pause or slow down the video. And now we'll add these little lines. Now we'll draw the ears just behind the hair. Once you finish this ear, draw the one on the other side. Now let's draw more hair, starting with these lines behind the ear. This is the beginning of the unicorn mane. Next we'll add more sections of the mane one at a time. Notice I start with curved lines and then bring them to a point. And I'll clean them up a little bit like this. Now slowly draw a line that goes down and across for the unicorn's neck. And I'll go back over that with a thicker marker. Next, add that sugar skull smile, a nostril, and stitches for the teeth. Our next step is a really large eye. Start with this curve underneath the bangs. And then connect with another line underneath. This bend at the bottom of the eye should match with the bend at the unicorn's jaw. Next, draw 3 small eyelashes. And make a circle reflection. For our next detail, we'll draw a dotted line and tiny half circles around the eye. And then finish this part by drawing a heart on the neck and 2 hearts on the ear. Now let's speed things up a bit for outlining and coloring in the dark areas. I'll color in the larger areas with a wide marker and then come back in to fill in the details with a finer point. Then I darken every line to make sure that our drawing stands out. Now let's see how it looks in color. Here's our sugar skull unicorn, all finished. I chose yellow and pink for the details and blue for the mane. These colors match well and make good unicorn colors. I hope you had fun drawing this unicorn sugar skull with me. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe for more. And thanks for watching.